Imagine waking up one day to discover that your favorite beach is no longer there. It's not a scene from a dystopian movie, but a potential reality we face due to climate change. But how dire is the situation, really? In the last 100 years, the world has warmed by approximately 1 degree Celsius. This might not seem like much, but it's enough to set in motion a chain of devastating events. The polar ice caps are melting at a rate 6 times faster than in the 1990s. This rapid thaw contributes to a rise in sea levels, which threatens to submerge low-lying cities and islands. Meanwhile, extreme weather events are becoming more frequent and severe. In the past 5 years alone, we've seen a 50% increase in the number of hurricanes, floods, and droughts around the world. This not only puts millions of lives at risk, but also has severe economic implications. Natural disasters caused by climate change have cost the world economy an estimated $2 trillion over the last 10 years. Deforestation, largely driven by agriculture, is another major contributor to climate change. Every minute, an area of rainforest the size of 20 football fields is lost. This destruction releases vast amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, further accelerating global warming. The situation is indeed dire, but it's not too late to act. The key points discussed in this video highlight the severity of climate change and its devastating impacts. The world has warmed up by 1 degree Celsius in the last century, leading to melting ice caps, rising sea levels, and more frequent extreme weather events. Deforestation is accelerating this process, releasing vast amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. However, these alarming statistics are not meant to instill fear, but to inspire action. Climate change is a global problem that requires a global solution. By understanding the urgency of the situation, we can come together to reduce our carbon footprint, protect our planet's precious ecosystems, and ensure a sustainable future for generations to come. Climate change is not a distant threat. It's happening now, and its impacts are being felt across the globe. But with awareness, commitment, and collective action, we can change the course of our planet's future. Because the question isn't whether we can afford to act on climate change, it's whether we can afford not to.